Sa unang 2 linggo ng Abril, may good news ang isang BPO company sa mahigit na 6,000 itong empleyado. Isang malaking bonus payout na umabot sa 150 million pesos. Sa pamamagitan ng Cloud Staff Investors Club Program, nakatanggap ang ilang empleyado ng bonus na maaaring umabot hanggang 400,000 pesos. Depende sa kanilang tenure, performance at community participation. Ayon sa kumpanya, ang bonus ay company-funded at hindi nakadepende sa client engagements. Ipinamamahagi ito sa iba't ibang empleyado sa lahat ng roles, maliban sa top management upang masiguro na direktang mapupunta ang benepisyo sa workforce.
People are what makes this business, and a lot of businesses don't value the people, and we wanted to find a way to say thank you for all the value that they create when they do a great job for the clients, when they help to go out and work in the community under our Cloud Staff Cares program. This is a way that we get to say thank you in a meaningful way.
Nakabatay ang Investors Club sa konsepto ng shared success, kung saan kinikilala ang efforts ng mga empleyado sa pamamagitan ng performance, client feedback, training at aktibong pakikilahok sa company initiatives tulad ng staff clubs at corporate responsibility programs.
A lot of our employees receive a payout or what we call investors bonus. So all of the gems or points that they've earned throughout these years, they receive some kind of a dividend or bonus. Basically, the investment of the staff here, it's time and effort. So there are ways that our employees earn their gems. We call the points as gems. So either you earn it through your years of service, or you earn it through a special, rewards or recognition.
Ginunita ang payout sa isang gala night nitong April 10 na nagsilbing selebrasyon ng tagumpay ng kumpanya at ng mga empleyado nito. Ayon kay Ernst, bahagi ito ng long-term vision ng Cloud Staff, kabilang ang posibleng IPO o liquidity event sa susunod na 3 hanggang 5 taon. Kasabay nito, inanunsyo rin ng kumpanya ang kanilang recruitment drive sa Pilipinas at iba pang bansa bilang bahagi ng patuloy na expansion at paglikha ng mas maraming career opportunities.
Cloud Staff is always hiring. We're heading off to Cebu tomorrow to celebrate this as well, and then Davao. We operate across all over the Philippines. Remember, it's jobs.cloudstaff.com. If your current BPO isn't showing the love, isn't rewarding you for the effort that you are putting in to help build their business, then come and join Cloud Staff.
Sa mensahe ng kumpanya, malinaw ang kanilang paninindigan. Kapag lumago ang negosyo, dapat makinabang ang mga taong nasa likod nito. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.